Amy Hill. This is Penelope. I've always wanted to do something on my own, and I wanted a unique spot to do it in, and so I found this location, which is the historic firehouse for Kitty Hawk and KDH. Everything in here is on consignment, so in order to kind of keep the shop going, I decided to take the local art and put it onto t-shirts. We'll also be doing trucker hats and bags in the future too. Muse came from the inspiration that artists have, and since I'm not an artist myself, I hope to help them and inspire them.